Hello friends. So today we are going to talk about some homeopathic clinical tips about acne vulgaris. As acne are the most important problem in daily today's life, each and every young one as well as the age of 40, they are suffering from acne vulgaris, acne simplex. So there are various types of acne. Patients are coming to us, especially young boys and girls at the age of puberty. They are coming with the problem, डॉक्टर साहब मुझे बहुत पिंपल्स हो रहे हैं, व्हाट इज़ द solution? I have taken allopathic treatment and there is no relief. If I have taken allopathic treatment, they are giving me some antibiotic, and after taking antibiotic for few days acne are over, but again and again they are coming. So my dear friends, we must know the reason behind these acne, whether the patient is suffering from some hormonal imbalance, whether they are having some, if they are female, they are having some hormonal imbalance during menses or menstrual cycle, as well as in boys as well as in female, if there is any problem with their thyroid dysfunction, and so many problems are there, they are related with the acne or the pimples. So now we are going to see what are the clinical tips, what are the clinical medicines which we can use in this type of problem of acne as well as pimples. So the main important thing is, at the age of puberty, if acne come, if the pimples are there at the age of puberty in female, just उनके menses start हुए हैं, they are suffering from normal menstrual cycle, but they are started developing eruptions on the face or the pimples on the face. If they are female, you have to give them pulsatilla. You can think about pulsatilla, because pulsatilla has given a very good result in those cases of acne at the time of puberty. You have to correlate all the clinical symptoms with this, but pulsatilla gives the best result in female when they are at the age of puberty. Second thing, if the male or the boys come with the acne at the time of puberty, you can start your case with the thyroidinum. Mind it, thyroidinum 1 ml you can give a single dose, pulsatilla 1 ml you can give a single dose, and after 8 days or 15 days you can repeat that dose, and you can see the progress of that acne, whether it is deteriorating, whether it is improving, what exactly is going on, that you have to see. And in between some anti-miasmatic remedy you must go. But the most important thing, if at the time of puberty girls are there with the pimples, you can think of pulsatilla, and if the acne at the puberty in case of boys, you can think of thyroidinum. Then next important thing, if the female come to you with a menopausal age, not at pubertal age, menopausal age, if they are coming with the pimples and acne, you can think of Tarantula hispanica. So Tarantula is one of the medicine at pimples at the or the eruption on the face at the time of menopause. Again, these all are a verified clinical tips. I have seen it in my practice as well as it is given in so many books. Then next thing is at the time of menses, when female or girls come to you and they are telling you like डॉक्टर साहब जब भी मेंसेस आते हैं तब मेरा चेहरा पूरा पिंपल से भरा हुआ रहता है. सो दिस इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू द मेडिसिन इज डल्कामारा. डल्कामारा गिव्स वेरी गुड रिजल्ट इन दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्ने और द पिंपल्स when the girls are having menstrual cycle and at the same time they are developing that acne or a pimples on the face. So dalkamara is the best medicine for that. Next one is the patient जब बोलते हैं like girls are coming and telling you कि डॉक्टर साहब जब भी मेंसेस आने रहते हैं तो मैंने मेंसेस आने के 2-4 दिन पहले से ही पिंपल्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, और जब मेंसेस आते हैं तो पिंपल्स थोड़े थोड़े कम हो जाते हैं, लेकिन before menses the pimples appears or the eruption appears on the face, the Magmure is the medicine. Magnesium muriaticum is the medicine. Mind it, very good medicine. So at the time of menses, Dulcamara. Before menses, the medicine is Magnesium muriaticum, and when the periods आते हैं लेकिन कम रहते हैं, देर इज नो मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लीडिंग, मच मोर मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लीडिंग नहीं रहता है, एंड एट दैट टाइम अगर एक्ने आते हैं तो सैंग्यूनेरिया इज द मेडिसिन. सो दीज ऑल आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्लिनिकल टिप्स, एंड इन विच सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यह है कि मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल के दौरान जो पीरियड आते हैं, मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल से जो हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस होता है बॉडी के अंदर, उनकी वजह से अगर पिंपल्स आते हैं तो वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ some medicines like this. So Dulcamara, Magnesium muriaticum, Sanguinaria are the very important medicine pimples at the time of menses. Now the next important and very important thing which we have always verified in our clinical practice, that whenever the patient comes to you and telling you डॉक्टर साहब मेरे मेंसेस ही नहीं आते हैं लेकिन महीने के महीने एक्ने बराबर आ जाते हैं, सो व्हाट इज द मेडिसिन फॉर दिस. दिस इज अगेन इम्पॉर्टेंट. पेशेंट बोलते हैं कि मेंसेस आते ही नहीं है, टाइम पे रेगुलर मेंसेस नहीं रहते हैं लेकिन पिंपल्स बराबर से आते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ मेंसेस इफ देयर इज अ पिंपल्स और एक्ने, you can think of the medicine Crotalus horridus. Crotalus horridus is one of the best medicine for this type of pimples. So all those things you have to make confirm which medicine are going to suit to your patient. You have to, these all are the very important keynote or the clinical tips which I am giving you. It is going to help you in your practice definitely. So this is all about, again one more and last we'll talk about some pimples are there. There is no specific relation between menses and acne, but वहाँ पे acne with rheumatism. पेशेंट बोलते हैं कि हाथ पैर बहुत ज़्यादा इन बिटवीन, इन जनरल दैट सिम्टम इज रूमेटिज्म, एंड द पेशेंट इज टेलिंग यू कि हाथ पैर तो दुखते रहते हैं लेकिन ये बारीक बारीक छोटे छोटे पिंपल्स फोरहेड के ऊपर आते रहते हैं. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ लेडम पाल इन दैट केस, एंड दैट इज क्वाइट पेनफुल एक्ने which are there on the forehead, and acne with rheumatism is the rubric for that. So acne with rheumatism, the main medicine is the ledum pal. And one more important clinical tip is when acne come in a very symmetrical manner. If the patient is having acne on this cheek, on the same side, same area, same location, on other side the patient will have acne. So that is known as a symmetrical acne. If the patient is having acne on this region, again on this region, the symmetrical that maintain the symmetry. This type of acne are seen in the Arnica montana. So this is again one of the very important clinical tip, that whenever the patient is having acne in the symmetrical manner on the face, that medicine is Arnica montana. So thank you very much. So today we have seen about the clinical tips of acne as well as pimples. In next class we'll see same topic but in detailed manner. Thank you.